Hi everyone, welcome to our second day of online learning. Once again, I am Miss C and I'm going to be taking you through our readers lesson for today. Today we will be doing readers workshop. All right, so reading. Can you think of some ideas of why we read and when we use reading in our lives? I'm sure there's many reasons you can think of why and when we read. So when you are doing that on the Nearpod, please write down your answers. Then, what do good readers do? Because good readers are different to bad readers. They predict, they make connections, they question what they read, and they summarize. Can you think of any other examples of what good readers do? If you can, you will write them down on the next page. All right. Now, what is the readers workshop outline at school? It looks something like this. For the first 5 to 10 minutes, you have a mini lesson with your teacher. Your teacher will sit and teach you a teaching point about what you will be learning for that day. Then you have independent reading. Independent means reading by yourself. And while you are at your desk reading, the teacher is walking around and helping different students. Then conferencing, the teacher speaks to the students and helps those who need it. Lastly, you have sharing. That's when the teacher takes about 5 to 10 minutes to discuss with you what you have learned for that day. And you can share with your teacher and your friends what you are reading about. On the next page of your Nearpod, you will fill in the blanks. So have a look. Mini lesson, 5 to 10 minutes. Independent reading, 20 to 30 minutes, with conferencing, and sharing 5 to 10 minutes. You will fill in the blanks. Now, what is the readers workshop outline at home? Because we are not at school, so it is going to look a very little bit different. You will have your Nearpod mini lesson, just like the lesson we are doing right now. After you are finished with your Nearpod lesson, that does not mean you are finished reading for the day. You should find somewhere comfortable and do some independent reading. And then, if you would like, you can share with your teacher what you have read. You can share it via email or on Flipgrid. Now, you will watch a video on the 7 steps for reading at home. Let's look at these steps together. Step 1. Read every day. It's very important that every day you read a little bit in English. Step 2. Try to read at the same time every day. Set yourself a schedule. Set a goal. Today you will read for this week every day at 10 a.m. So try and stick to a schedule. Find a quiet place with no distractions. Distractions mean there should be no noise. It should be nice and quiet so you can concentrate. Step 4. Get comfortable. Find somewhere that you like to read. Maybe you like to read in your bed. Maybe you like to read on the floor. Maybe you even like to read upside down. Choose a position that is comfortable for you. Step 5. Each day, try and read a little more. Build up your reading stamina. For example, day 1, Try and read for at least 5 minutes with no break. Day 2. Maybe read for 6 minutes, no break. And every day try and build your superhero reading stamina. Step 6. Make sure you choose the just right book. It should not be too easy. It should not be too hard. It should be just right. And our last and final step is to enjoy what you are reading. Choose a book that you like, that you enjoy reading. It is a fun topic, and have fun with your reading, just like the grade 5 teacher Bitmojis are doing. All right, that will be the end of the video. So the 7 steps are once again over here. Read them to yourself again, because on the next page, you will be doing a time to climb activity. All right, grade 5, this is Miss C saying goodbye, and have fun reading. Bye.